So I saw this at Hobby Lobby and decided to buy it. It's almost shaped like a heart. I'm gonna cut some of this off. I'm gonna trim some of this off a little bit. I don't think I need that much though, because I need it to come over at the sides a little bit. I'm going to use the decoupage varnish and glue. We're reverse decoupaging this. I'm just trimming off some of the excess there. Look at that. So how cute is that? Let me, oh, doesn't matter. I'm gonna go ahead and seal this. I don't know why. I think I have to paint it. I don't mind the wrinkles on mine. I do have wrinkles on mine, I think you can see. But that's what it looks like right there. This is gonna be really pretty. I like this bottle. Okay, so now let's go ahead and, I think I do want this pink on there. Maybe a light pink. I'm gonna work on this mold. So this mold I made from this right here. Oh, it's this. It's a redesign. It's a Pinup mold on this bottle. We're gonna put that on that bottle. How pretty. Paint that. We'll paint it pink. We're gonna paint it pink. Pretty. Light pink. Look, y'all. So that's going to be so pretty. I like that. Let me see. Are we ready to glue it? Yes, we're going to glue this down. And but we got that on. How pretty. And then this little guy's going to go in the middle. Yeah, we're gonna add some of these little flowers. So these are little silver flowers. I think I'm gonna add these on here. We're going to use the B7000. Okay, y'all, we have some little flowers and our little hummingbird there. So on the top here, we are going to, what are we going to do? And on the sides, we're going to do some blinging. Let's do this. I'm going to put this. So this is just a little bling wrap thingy that I got from Amazon. So we have that on the top. Look how blingy that is. So this is so super sticky. We may go right here. I thought about buying a pretty topper. I think it needs a pretty little topper, and see, that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna do, I don't know, I may just leave it alone, I'm not sure. But so we had some little flowers and our little, look at our little guy there. So cute. Let's put some rhinestones on this. Y'all, I'm just putting this together as I go. I don't even know. I think that would be precious. We may put a little bow on here with the Totally Dazzled piece. I think that's gonna work, but we're gonna do some little rhinestones here. And I'm just using the crystal shimmer stones. I think I'm gonna finish that side too, but look how pretty. How pretty. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take these little things off and put a rhinestone in the middle of these flowers, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna, we're gonna add some over, hold on a minute. Let's see what this looks like. So I put some right in, where is it? Right in there somewhere. Yes, you can see it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna fill in the gaps there. Oh, how pretty is that? I am going to put this cute little bow on here, but what do we need in the middle? I'm not too sure about the bow, but I'm going to see if I can find a topper instead, but we will see. Okay, y'all, so that's really it, but a decorative bottle.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.